Why do some of the top healers choose to work with dragon spirits? Let me tell you a few facts about dragons. They are one of the most powerful animal spirits that there are. They are wisest of all, and they are one of the most ancient animal spirits. In fact, it is said that they used to walk among the human and have been there since the origin of this planet. A lot of beliefs and cultural stories also go to a point that dragons have helped us create our planet, create the entire universe. They are co creators. Now, let me tell you something about the celestial dragon and the Dragon Reiki workshop that is offered by Yana's Healing Studio. So far, we've taught it to more than 60 to 70 students, and we've seen amazing results in many of their lives. Some of them have become healers and use this as a practice. Some of them are teaching the Dragon Reiki part. So, the Celestial Dragons Level 1 is a practitioner level workshop. In that, you learn to connect with your guardian dragons. You learn to connect with elemental dragons and the golden dragon. It's not only connecting with them, you will be able to find out your guardian dragon and forever be able to go ahead and perform healings with them. These healings are absolutely short when it comes to consumption of time, but extremely powerful when it comes to delivering results. While the Dragon Reiki workshop connects you with the symbols and Reiki energies of this particular modality that is called Dragon Reiki. It has two levels. One is a practitioner level, one is a master level. One has purpose-driven symbols, while the other has symbols that connect you with different elemental dragons and the golden dragon. All in all, it is a wholesome workshop that you get to learn over 7 sessions, 2 hours each, and in a week you will have 2 sessions. These come to you with a lot of practice sessions. These come to you with connective sessions that empower your connection with the realm of dragons. This time around, when the earth is undergoing a lot of transition, dragons have come to the front and started connecting with us so that we play an important role in bringing about the positive shift, in bringing about powerful healings for people and our friends and relatives. So if you are interested in taking any of these workshops, you can get in touch with us. Our details are given in the description. March 2021 is the last month where we will be offering any kind of discounts or any kind of offers to the workshop that is called the Celestial Dragon and the Dragon Reiki workshop, post which the workshop will go back to its original price. So if you are interested in joining it, this is the right time to go ahead. But as I say, when the dragons call, you cannot just ignore. They will make sure that you have your flow in place so that you can go ahead and do this workshop. So if you need more details, go ahead and read the description below. Thank you so very much.